Hello and welcome to West Penn Wire. This is Ryan Reiser, Southeast Regional Manager. Today's tutorial is about how to use our very powerful cable finder from our website westpenn-wpw.com. Here on the site we have several clickable links that are drop downs across the top, and we also have some tabs you can click off down the left side. On the right side, here's where it gets interesting. We have two separate ways that you can find the exact cable that you're looking for your specifications for your job. One is if you know your part number. So if I know my part number and I need more information on, say, part number 25224B, I can enter that in this box, click search or hit enter, and it's going to pull that up. Now here's what's unique. For any different environment that we have for 25224B, that's included in the part number, that's going to show you. So you can see that 25224B is a communication plenum cable, and it's also considered a commercial speaker cable. So both of those show. Now you can see both these right here are clickable links. If you click on that, it takes you directly to a PDF. This shows everything that's specific about 25224B. It gives you all your UL listing and ratings, it gives you construction parameters, all your environmental properties, and your mechanical properties. This is a PDF format because we want you to print this off and include it with any bid package. Also, you notice there's a detail button. If I just simply hover over that, it's going to have a drop down box that's going to pop for you. Just hover over and it gives you a very quick snapshot of the important characteristics of this cable. There's also an information place to add some logins right here, which is a different option and a different feature we have at West Penn for the site. Look at the download side. Again, click on it, it takes you back to that PDF. Now let's say, for example, you're coming to West Penn and you've got something you're working on and you're not really sure what the West Penn Wire part number is, but you have some details on what type of cable you're looking for. So let's go back to West Penn Wire Home and start over. We're going to come over here to our cable finder and click this drop down box. So let's say that you're looking for a video cable that's a coax and it's a broadcast. So we would select broadcast video cables. What that does is it brings up any broadcast video that falls into that category. And you can see that there's 35 total and 30 are showing. If I scroll down here, you can see results 1 of 30 of 35. You have 30 listings per page. Now again, same as before, the left side is where you can click on the spec sheet. You have your pop-up on your details, your login, and then your download data sheet. Let's say that this is great, but still a little bit too time consuming. You're not sure exactly what you're looking for and you need to drill down a little bit further. You can either go here on your browse section categories and then pick what you need. Is it a low skew UTP? Is it RGB HV cable? Is it an SDI cable? Let's say you know that it's an RGB HV cable, so we click it. Your 35 cables now is reduced down to 14. It's a process of elimination. That's very important because we don't want you to get confused with so many different options of cables that will work. We want you to find the exact cable that you need that we provide for your specific job. So again, I can highlight all these and go through that, but again, you want to drill it down to make sure what you have. There's all different types right here of drop downs that you can use to select the right cable. Let's say that you know that you need a plenum, so we'll go to the environment. Non-plenum, no environment, plenum, or an aqua seal cable. So let's say that your cable is a plenum. So we click on plenum, it's going to drill down for us and list these different cables. You know that it is a bare copper versus a tin copper. Click it, it drills down. And let's say that your RG size you know is a miniature. It's a Minimax or a miniature cable. So we're going to click miniature. Here you go. Now you're down to these 4 top cables. Say that you need a type, a 3 coax, a 5 coax, or a 6 coax. Yours is a 5 coax. You know that it's an RGB HV cable 5 coax miniature. And you needed a plenum, right? So you click it. There you go. Here's the cable you need. You've got the spec sheet and you've got the pop-up detail to make sure that's what you want. It's a very powerful tool because it starts broad, shows you all the options that you can select from, and then your ability to drill these down to get the exact cable that you need. For any questions or more detailed information, feel free to contact our inside sales agents at 1-800 245-4964.